Is the antenna tracker looking right at it?
Yeah.
Grant,
Huh?
while I'm flying, you just want to be my spotter because
Yeah.
you got me.
Yeah.
I want to get over to take pictures over those tree lines too, because if it's down in the trees, you're not going to see it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. You're at a good height there too.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it about 100 meters.
Yeah. If it's too low, your camera is just gonna get too close. That tractor's awesome.
Where's the plane? Oh yeah, I see it.
I'm running over those trees by that dog kennel too.
The only other place that we didn't really look was any like close backyards over there. To the left,
Yeah.
like right over the house as well.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna make my way back and forth.
Are you doing pattern there?
Gain some altitude when I'm into the wind.
Yeah. Pretty much gliding there, aren't you?
Yeah, just cut throttle now and patch of trees down here too. I want to fly over.
Never know. About a kilometer there, aren't you?
620.
You like that photo?
Mm-hmm.
You like that one too?
Mm-hmm. Not getting any visual yourself, are you?
No, I'm more concentrated on flying a pattern.
Oh, okay. I'm making sure you're going pretty wide this time. It's pretty cool. You crabbing every 5 seconds or 2?
Every 5.
Oh. We said the money for the light bridge.
What does that do anyway? It's like,
It's like it sends HD 1080p video right back to your model,
oh yeah?
right in flight. But this here is probably better anyway.
Wow.
This is still a better approach. Way longer flight time.
I see something in the woods here that's weird. Up on the other side of the back line. Can you see the monitor? Right?
Oh yeah?
Just below my arrow. But I don't think so.
Too hard to tell.
Basically right below me there now. There's like a... I'll go this way and come back at it.
Wish you had the goggles.
Your goggles worked on it before, so
Yeah.
it must have been just a switch on your radio or something. See my middle arrow?
Yeah.
Right in there. Like a little clearing? Well, I think that's too big though. I flew right over it anyway, so...
Yeah.
I'm flying 14 minutes.
How many milliamps?
2200.
Out of 66?
Yeah.
Wow. You usually get a 35-minute flight?
Yeah, if there was no wind, because like when I'm into the wind I kind of got to punch the throttle a bit, like going around 15-20 amps. But going downwind I'm just usually just enough to... That evening me and Brian Fitzgerald were out flying, wasn't a draft of wind. Man, it's just so easy to fly. Still pretty easy, like it handles into the headwind pretty good, I gotta say. You got a, I got my SD card there, my USB.
Yeah.
You can copy them over to your computer.
Paid on the trial. Paid on the look.
I'll fly over these trees by the kennel again.
I wonder if other people supposed to be here. Philly?
No, he's in Calgary.
Brian George?
Exactly.
Gabe, he knows all their names. Head towards over the field.
Yeah, maybe even behind the field. You don't know. Huh?
Yeah.
That could have been some summer totally different when I was up there. Might have been looking at the Old Bay Bulls Road when I came down for something.
Can't seem to be launched.
Hey Brian,
Yeah.
look back at the monitor. Let me show you something. Right up on the other side of our runway.
Mm-hmm.
See that clearing right by the wingtip? There's something over here.
I can't see it though.
Why not? The
It's just-
glare?
Yeah, the glare. The black is all black.
Oh. Right here, though. I flew over it anyways, but
Right down there?
yeah. It looks kind of big though.
Yeah. You got the wide angle on the D'Amica, right? Or
Yeah.
a wide angle version?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Gabe. Where is it? You were supposed to be spotting me. I think I crashed.
I'm spotting you.
Uh-huh.
I'm spotting you.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you gonna land to?
Just seeing what the autopilot is doing. I got lots of juice left. pretty much done every pattern, so $21. Strange though, she's climbing.
Doesn't Billy have one of those?
Similar. This one's unique, though.
Oh, that's why I had 150 meters.
The perimeter?
Yeah. Height.
I don't even know where to look now after all that.
Yeah, I'll still buzz around over here, like, burn the rest of my battery. I did pretty much a good pattern, like up and down 6 passes right over to the other side of the back line. You know what I mean? So, fly over the trees again, because you know what I mean, if you can walk around them all day long, you'll never see it.
Yeah. Hungry, buddy? Got my rubbers, huh?
What?
So you're landing, getting out now here.
Oh, I'm going to land line of sight inwards. I don't think I'm going to do it FPV this time.
Where are you to now? Is where I was checking.
I'm right over the field now.
Yeah. Yeah, what are the chances of me getting up in the clouds and while turning around, come back down, I ended up way off of where I think I was.
Sorry, anything is possible, right? Oh, my fucking wrist is hurting. A lot of goddamn pictures.
What, off your car?
No. I timed it for 25-minute flight was like 2 gigs. I got a 16 gig card, so.
Oh, okay.
And that's at the max resolution too. That's a bike, is that a helicopter again? Gabe, got the video camera? I'm gonna do a flyby here now.
Okay, hold on.
What's your cable, buddy?
Jeez, yeah, don't trip up on that, please. Yeah, I'll spin around. I thought you had it right there in your hand.
No.
You're doing playing video games. Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay.
Pretty low enough.
Do another little pass over by these trees.
Yep.
.41 used now in the milliamps. So usually by 5,000 is good because I want to leave about 80% of the packs. Still at 15 volts, so that's because I calibrate the milliamps, so it's pretty spot on. This calculation you can do. Last time, one of the last times I flew there, I noted I went back and looked at the OSD footage and seen how much I used at the end of the flight, and charged the 2 batteries, and obviously added them together. And there's a calculation that you do, and it's at like 1.0. So if you put more back in the charger, say you make it like 1.10, a little bit higher, like, you know what I mean? Or if it's less, if the OSD is saying that you burn more, you
What's
just make
the most accurate radio? The charger more accurate, you think?
Yeah. Well, I mean, what you're trying to do is just calibrate it so that your OSD is reading exactly what, you know what I mean? And there's like a formula that you use.
That looks like it's hovering.
Try to land there now.
Good as landing, dude. What did you do? Put it back?
Should have brought up your arrow, Gabe.
No. Looking for something else.
Alright.
You're landing now?
Yeah.
Feel to the left or the right?
Alright. I'm gonna go out this way and then come back in around. "35 minutes. Oh shit. I'm off a bit. Hang on. I thought we were over to the right behind us a little bit.